Our team here in Galena manufactures high-quality replacement parts for Wenger Group extruders, dryers, and other equipment. Welcome to the Wenger Parts Manufacturing Facility. We began operations here in 1984 and then expanded output in 2016. Currently, this facility produces nearly 50,000 parts per year, shipping to customers around the world. In addition to manufacturing, this facility includes a large inventory of commonly ordered parts. And when needed, we can expedite manufacturing and shipping of an urgent order 7 days a week. So let's take a quick tour of the facility. This is our Weiler E90 CNC lathe, very sophisticated. It has an 840D Siemens controller. This is a controller you'll see in the aerospace industry. It's a workhorse for this site. This is a 3-shift machine, 7 days a week. Throughout the facility, associate safety is our #1 focus. We're proud that we've had no lost time incidents in over 21 years. Our shipping team has the experience to get parts to customers anywhere in the world, often on an expedited basis. The facility is located very close to several major highways in the center of the United States.
Having a dedicated parts manufacturing facility is vital to our corporate goal of providing an unparalleled customer experience. Our Galena plant is equipped with a highly skilled team of professionals, precision equipment, and nearly 40 years of experience producing replacement parts to the same exacting standards as the original components. When you buy parts directly from Wenger, you can be assured they will fit and work properly. So your Wenger and Extratech equipment will continue to operate efficiently for many years.